My name is Tommy, and my last name is Burton, and I've been driving for Rockwood for about 5 years, and it's been a really awesome thing, you know, just to drive for Rockwood. It's really different from the city. You know, I see all this rural area and the trees and the forest, whatever. It's a really good sightseeing and also job also. Well, the first thing that I like about my bus is, you know, it's a gas, and you know, it moves quickly, and I'm very confident in it in turning safe turns, you know, backing up or whatever maneuver that I have to do with my bus. About 7 miles per gallon.
Excellent.
And it's just unbelievable how it works on the highway. It's just lovely. That's all I can say about it. How does it feel? Oh, come on, man, really? This is like a top of the line Rolls Royce. You know, I am in my own zone. Once I get in my bus, it's just a Rolls Royce. It's just white. It's just pretty. I just go do what I need to go do, and it's just so immaculate.
Rolls Royce, the school bus.
Yeah, yeah.
Excellent. Excellent. You feel like enough power to smooth ride?
Of course, yes.
Quiet cabin?
Yes.
Excellent.
Well, yes, it is. It's a quiet cabin, but don't forget though, it's a school bus. It still has a little rumble in the back of it, so yes.
Excellent.
The lighter the bus and it's gas, you can get there quicker. Not speedy or nothing like that,
Right.
but you know, it's
You feel
better.
like you got some more confidence behind it a little bit?
Of course, and then if you're running the AC in the diesel is just really slow. It brings all the horsepower really down, and you know, but it's for the customer.
I remember.
Customers first.
You're right. I remember when we first got the unleaded buses, a lot of drivers were commenting, like in situations like where they had to pull out on the Manchester Road or out on the 100,
Yes.
how more responsive the unleaded buses were than the diesel buses.
Of course.
And it gave them, like you said, more confidence in pulling out and getting integrated into traffic.
Yes.
And I thought that was a great advantage.
And that's also a safety issue also too.
Yeah.
You know, get out the way quicker, you know. It's smooth, man. Everything about it is just smooth, you know. There's nothing under it popping or nothing like that, you know. It's just immaculate, you know.
Absolutely. It's certainly quiet, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. But you know, it is quiet, and you still have that little rumbling for that bus feel, you know.